start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time.
Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. This is Peculiar Skincare. Please, if today is your first time in my channel, help me hit the subscription button below, thumbs up the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming up from me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. I love you guys. Thank you for giving me the zeal to do more. I promise to be consistent. I promise to always upload a video that will be beneficiary to you guys. And lastly, I promise to be sincere in all my videos. Thank you guys. I love you from the depths of my heart. You guys are the best. So without wasting much of our time, let's get down into today's video. So in today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a kiddies brightening soap. This is a herbal soap. This soap is gonna help brightening your baby skin, leave your baby skin smooth and radiant. In this bowl, I have my black soap. We have different kinds of African black soap, ranging from the Nigerian black soap to the Ghanaian black soap, all performing the same benefits. This soap is fondly known for its ability to treat skin issues without side effects. So into my base soap, I'll be adding my humectant. Humectant attracts moisture from the atmosphere and lock it into your skin. Examples of humectants, we have honey and we have glycerin. So in this particular production, it's either you use honey or you use your glycerin. So I'll be working with 125 ml of my honey. You can see how thick the honey is. This is organic honey. Make sure you get the original one, because you are dealing with kids' skin. So I will go on and mix my soap together before adding the remaining ingredients to it. If you don't want to go the stress of mixing this soap with your hands, you can as well use a low heat to melt it. I'll go on and put my botanicals. This is my carrot powder. This is 60 ml of my carrot powder. Carrot powder repairs and tones the skin. It reduces wrinkles and scars. It provides the skin with better keratin, which is an antioxidant. I will also be working with my rice powder. Rice powder is a wonderful exfoliator. The fine particles of ground rice help scrub the dead skin cells without being harsh on the skin. Rice flour can also be used to get rid of acne and absorb excess oil. So I'll be needing 30 grams of my rice powder. One I'll be putting is my neem powder. The antioxidants in neem are beneficial for reducing melanin production of your skin, which helps to even out your skin tone. It also reduces the dark spots, blemishes and any kinds of redness on your skin. So I'll be needing 30 grams of my neem powder. So the next ingredient I'll be working with is my aloe vera powder. Aloe vera powder helps to alleviate skin ailments like itching, rashes, sunburn, and skin dryness, I'll be needing 20 grams of my aloe vera powder. The next ingredients I'll be working with is my gram flour. I'll be needing 15 ml or 15 grams of my gram flour. The next one is my sulfur powder. Sulfur has natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, meaning it can clear bacteria from the pores that would otherwise lead to acne. Also helps to prevent new bacteria from manifesting on the skin surface. So I'll go on and put my oils. The first oil I'll be working with is my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil moisturizes and nourishes the skin. It adds to your glow and makes your skin smooth and healthy. So I'll be needing 60 ml of my vitamin E oil. Next one I'll be putting is my mustard seed oil.
Start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes.
The next oil I'll be putting is my olive oil. So I'll be needing 15 ml of my olive oil. Next one I'll be putting is my carrot oil. So the next one I'll be putting is my lavender essential oil. I'll be needing 30 ml of my lavender oil. This is 15 ml, so I'll be needing 2 of it.
Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting?
So I will go on and mix everything together, okay, before putting the remaining recipe. This is my soap after mixing everything. So the last thing I will put there is my preservative, okay? So this is my preservative. We are using 0.1% of my preservative. I will go on and mix it together. So guys, this is our Kiddies Herbal Black Soap. We have the recipe in our store, and we also have the soap for sale. If you want to buy, we can help you do the production. If you don't want to go the steps of this production. Thank you so much for watching my videos. See you guys in my next video. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you in the name of God, support my ministry. Help me hit up the subscription button below. Give this video a thumbs up, and also drop your comments in the comment section below. I will attend to them all, okay? If there is any question, just drop it in our comment section below, okay? See you guys in my next video. Bye.